What's up, everyone? Are you hitting the gym hard, trying to build muscle, but getting tired of the same old boring meals? I feel you. Cooking after a tough workout is the last thing anyone wants to do. And let's be real, how much bland chicken and broccoli can one person eat? It gets repetitive, and honestly, a little depressing. Sure, putting in all that effort to build a stronger you, so your food should be exciting and delicious, not a chore. What if I told you that you could have chef-prepared, mouth-watering, high-protein chicken meals delivered right to your doorstep? That's right, no more meal prep Sundays, no more grocery store runs, and no more washing piles of dishes. I'm talking about our high-protein chicken boxes, specifically designed for people like us who are serious about their fitness goals but also love good food. These aren't your average meal preps. We're talking about gourmet-level deliciousness. Imagine juicy, perfectly seasoned grilled chicken paired with savory roasted sweet potatoes and fresh, crisp green beans. Or how about a zesty lemon herb chicken with fluffy quinoa and vibrant bell peppers? We even have options like spicy piri-piri chicken or a smoky barbecue pulled chicken. Each box is packed with lean protein to help your muscles recover and grow, complex carbs for sustained energy, and essential nutrients to keep you feeling your best. Each meal is perfectly portioned to hit your macros, taking all the guesswork out of your nutrition. You'll know exactly what you're putting into your body, making it super easy to stay on track with your fitness plan. It's the ultimate convenience. All you have to do is eat, and enjoy a delicious meal that fuels your gains. No more sacrificing flavor for fitness. You can finally have both. So, if you're ready to level up your nutrition game, ditch the boring meal prep and start enjoying food that actually tastes amazing while helping you build the physique you've been working for. You have to check this out. Stop letting your diet be the hardest part of your fitness journey. Click the link in the description below to explore our menu and place your first order or taste buds, and your muscles will thank you. Trust me, this is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.